Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today we just checked into the Hilton Garden Inn Hotel in Niagara-on-the-Lake, Ontario, Canada. So I'm going to give you guys a quick room tour. It is around 8:30 p.m. Check-in was very smooth and pleasant. Very good customer service. There was no lineup. It's kind of, I would say, low season, so not very busy at all. The property itself seems to be pretty new. The shower is nice, so there's no bathtub. The toilet is not new. That's not even, that's like one of those huge flush toilets, but anyway. It does have a modern feel. Everything seems to be very clean. So the first thing I noticed when I walked in is I could smell the pool, like chlorine, but it wasn't overbearing or anything like that. So yeah, we are Niagara-on-the-Lake, so you have a bit of a winery vineyard theme here, which is cool. Yeah, it definitely feels like it's a relatively new property. Nice and big flat screen TV. So this is room number 408, king size bed. Booked it through Expedia. Yeah, it's clean. The carpet's looking pretty good too. I'm not a big fan of carpet. I don't think anybody is, but okay, little fridge. Okay. Oh, and we did get 2 bottles of complimentary water at the check-in. Keurig, that's cool. Some tea, Timothy's coffee, and a microwave. Oh, nice and clean. I just realized that's a barn door. That's pretty cool. Or a sliding door. Okay guys, well, there's not that much more that I can add to what I've just mentioned. Have you guys stayed here this hotel before? Do you know any other hotels that are maybe better than this one in Niagara-on-the-Lake? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.